In this video, we have to make chicken 65 with less oil by Pigeon Airfryer. With this chicken only, we can do the chicken 65 dish. Wash the chicken thoroughly. Have to use this Sindhu chili chicken powder only. Add 2 spoon chili chicken powder podi, 1 spoon oil and thoroughly mix it. 1 spoon oil is enough for this chicken. Leave it for 15 minutes. First, we apply less oil in this tray and preheat it for 3 minutes. Set the temperature at 185 degree for 3 minutes. After 3 minutes, take the tray outside. Put the chicken pieces into it evenly. After we insert it, the tray into it and set the temperature 185 degree and the time 15 minutes. You have pulled the tray outside and turn the chicken pieces and then insert it. After 15 minutes, our chicken 65 pieces get ready. See, the pieces are non-sticky in the pan. Wow! Very nice and delicious chicken 65.